Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by owning the rights. Use footage and music you created or have a written license. Record vertical 9, 16 clips under 60 seconds, and label source files so you can prove ownership. Once you have raw assets, log permissions in writing and collect releases for people in frame. If music is required, choose license stems or the YouTube audio library and save receipts. This first step prevents disputes later and sets up clean uploads that follow platform rules and copyright expectations. Next, you apply and document licenses while editing. Insert license text into file metadata and keep screenshots of purchase or permission emails. Use only licensed stems, royalty-free tracks, or original audio. Do not splice copyrighted songs without clearance. Once editing, optimize the first 3 seconds for attention, add captions, and export at 1080 x 1920. Make sure to keep license files alongside the final MP4 so you can produce proof instantly if a claim appears. Finally, upload and document. Paste a short license summary and contact info in the description, select proper rights ownership, and enable captions. If a Content ID claim appears, act fast. Gather your purchase receipts, signed releases, and file metadata showing original creation dates. Then submit a dispute via YouTube Studio with that evidence. If things go wrong, respond within 30 days and escalate with a copyright strike counter notification only when you truly own the rights, because misuse can create legal risk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.